Miffy and won my first ever upset duck. This is ugly but it's so cute. So this one is upset duck Care Bear series. Okay, are you ready to unbox?
Yeah.
So we have Ryan next to me. Safety belt. Which one do we unbox first? Okay, Miffy lah. Can. Go Miffy. I really hope I don't get the same one because I realized when I took two already, then I see a full tray again. So I'm like thinking maybe they keep restocking it. So I'm afraid I might get the same one. But
Ni apa sih? Bread and all that?
yeah, and it's a kitchen.
Okay.
Okay, so let me show you. This is how it looks like. There's 8. And again, I don't mind any because I don't have this series. So I'm gonna open this first one first. Okay, but of course we'll still choose what we want, okay? What do you want?
I want the donut.
Donut. Oh, the donut is cute. Yeah, I also want the donut. And then the other one? Should I take the ice cream or the sandwich?
See the sandwich one also cute.
Okay lah. Either the sandwich. Which sandwich? There's 2.
The back one. Ini.
There's 2. Ray wants this. For me it's either this or this or this. Okay, let's unbox. Please lah, not the same one. Really? I don't know Should I tear? I can tear lah. Keep teeth on it. They scared people open. Eh, Syami, your song lah Syami.
Okay, let's go. Come on lah, donut.
It's very light, so you wouldn't know what you get. Okay, do you want to see the card first? I don't know whether there's a card.
Kalau dekat.
I'll pass it to you. Oh, don't have card, but
Okay,
what
okay.
if? Okay, no card. Okay.
Come on lah.
Okay. Again, I repeat donut, ice cream, or this sandwich. But Ray wants this sandwich. Bismillah. Ice cream!
Oh. Actually, ice cream is cute also there.
It's so cute!
Ice cream is cute. Yeah.
Okay, one down.
It's a good one.
I'm scared for the other one.
Okay,
I scared
that
the same.
Yeah, plus tak ada card, dia tak tahu.
Yeah, then I to open already. Cannot be sell. But this one like a bit heavy. I don't know lah. Okay. I already got ice cream, so I'm happy already. So it's either donut or the sandwich. Either one of the sandwiches.
For your videos.
It's okay. Oh, this one looks big.
Is it?
Yeah. I scared the same.
I hope it's not lah. Doesn't feel like the same kan?
I don't know. Kan? Okay, bismillah.
Alamak.
Filter. Okay, bismillah.
Macam lain. Yeah.
I'm so happy. Alhamdulillah, I got the first 2 that I want.
Actually, donut. Wah.
Alhamdulillah.
It's so cute. Kita di dalam donut dia.
I love it. Okay, so Miffy done. Are you so cute?
No, not. Okay, wah. Okay.
Okay,
Success
success. said dark, I wanted to buy 2. But then I realized, I don't know, man. I don't know whether I like that series, but it's cute. Okay, so never mind. Buy one first.
Oh, don't lah.
Grateful, Ika,
we see
grateful.
first, see first.
Oh yeah.
Oh, you want to open? Okay, ni
Okay.
kan?
This one This one.
Oh,
Wah,
sorry,
this
sorry.
one very hard cause
Actually upside down cute sih.
yeah, it's very cute.
Okay, I know what I want already.
The brown one
No, the blue one.
The blue. Which one? Like blue or
Dia
dark
pakai
blue?
topi ni, cute sih.
Okay, so they want this for me.
I want the blue one
I don't know what I want sih. The pink one is cute.
Choose one. Okay, first, second, third. Dia berapa? 5
The
1, 2,
6.
6 choose 3.
Okay. Oh my god, the blue one this one is also very cute, but I don't like blue. Okay lah. Picture bear, bedtime bear, and grumpy bear. You?
See? Okay, this one is the first one. Grumpy first.
Grumpy first.
And then I think is Share Bear.
Share bear. Okay?
And then Tender Heart Bear.
Okay. So this one, and this one. Okay, let's unbox. This one got cut or not? Okay lah.
Tak ada sticker. Ada side.
This one when I buy I didn't manifest anything lah. Like all of this.
But I really hope the blue one je.
The blue one is cute, but
Dia pakai
the
topi
pink one
je.
got ribbon.
Oh.
Very cute.
Okay, come on.
Okay, wait, let me see the cut.
Oh, I see the colour already.
You see the colour
I
already?
think so. Sekejap, sabar.
Wait.
Sabar.
Alamak, you like disappointed ni.
Oh, dia. Sekejap.
Yeah, I got hit the headband lah.
Oh, okay. So, okay. Dia, I saw already.
I got cut tu.
Sabar. Don't see. Okay.
What if I don't like? Okay, never mind.
Okay.
Dah?
Dah.
Okay.
Go and see.
Oh my god, I got it. Gang, my video got cut off because I dropped my phone. But anyway, I got the pink one. So, the naked duck, the pajamas, and the headband.
The card don't know where.
The cat is behind lah. Come, let's put it on. So cute. The head can spin lah. The head can turn.
I can turn.
The head. Damn cute or what this thing? Sorry stand by wearing the shirt. Sorry, wearing the pajamas So cute.
Got all you want
Yeah, I got all I wanted. I thought this is a keychain. Maybe I dropped the card. It's actually not the card. Maybe it's just the
I think it is
The kitchen. Oh, it's the card.
I think so.
My dog is all dressed up for bed. Yay! I got all the 3 that I wanted. Woohoo! Thank you for watching. See you on the next episode of Unboxing with Ika. Bye!